Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guide and we're back with another new video and another unboxing. As we saw last week, we unboxed a lovely MacBook that we picked up from eBay. This week we're going to be looking at unboxing a mystery product from a company called Hoxton Macs. Now, I'm not sponsored, but I use Hoxton to buy a lot of my approved devices. They provide a lot to the company I work for as well, so I thought let's pick up a few devices from there and just give them a bit of a review. So we're going to be looking at a mystery package right here, as you could tell. So it's talking about Hoxton approved, and let's just get straight into it. So as you could tell, packaging right now is great, and the size of the box, I'm hoping you guys kind of understand, maybe have a slim idea of what it could possibly be. And let's just see if we can open it slightly from here. And there you go. And there we have it. So let's just see if I can slide it out by any chance. And yes, I can. And there we have it. So what do we have here? We have ourselves an iPhone 15 Plus. Now, pick this up for around £500. So it is a bit on the spenny side, but it is apparently in excellent condition. As you can tell right now, there's no scuffs anywhere. The screen looks crystal clear. There seems to be no marks so far. And yeah, guys, it just feels really nice. And let's just boot it up. If it has any charge. It has, oh, it has charge. It has charge. We have the Apple logo. And while that's going on, just to also let you know, there was a lightning cable in the box as well. Lightning cable? A USB-C cable, sorry, in the box. So as you can tell, there was no plug, however, just FYI, no plug, but there was a USB-C cable. Now we can see it's taken us this part. So let's just quickly go through setup, and I'll come back to you guys when it's on the home screen. So we've now got the phone set up, and let's just quickly unlock the phone. So you can see it's running iOS 18 on the phone, and so far, guys, no issues. Now let's have a look at the battery percentage for the phone. If it lets me click on settings. Okay, it clearly doesn't want me to click on settings. Oh, what's all this about? Is it just the phone glitching out? That's very interesting. And the phone's actually getting hot. So I don't know what that was about. It was weird bloop. Okay, so the camera's struggling to focus. There you go. We're focused up. Sorry about that, guys. So if we look at battery health. Wait, what? Wait. This is a brand new iPhone. I'm slightly a bit confused. Hoxton Mac has sent us a brand new iPhone. It has had 0 counts, 100%. It was manufactured in August, so there's still warranty on this. And the first use is November. This has never been used. Okay, you guys might be wondering, I'm faking my reaction. I genuinely, guys, I am not kidding. I am confused as hell why that has happened. That's very interesting. It's a new, it's never been used. It's a brand new iPhone. Very interesting. Well, that's positive. That's crazy positive. Let's just have a look at the about section. So we can see the iPhone 15 Plus is running 18.1.1. So there's that. It's 128 gig drive. It's a 128 gig model. But guys, let's just quickly make sure. There's something so off. Something so weird. Camera seems to be working fine. There's no issues with the camera. seems to be running completely fine. God. Guys, I am seriously baffled. This is a brand new iPhone. This has never been used. And this is being sold on Hox and Max as I believe it's in excellent condition. I'm super confused, guys. Well, is fantastic. But again, I'm so confused. But, okay, I mean, that's brilliant. That's fantastic. But, yeah, guys, that's the iPhone 15 Plus. Quick unboxing. We're going to see more videos coming out from this, actually. We're going to switch over from Pixel to the iPhone again to record our videos. I am shocked. Hoxton Max, you are absolutely bang for the money, and thank you. I wasn't expecting when I purchased this to get that level, so yeah, again, no promotion, not being paid by them or anything, but that's fantastic, guys. I absolutely recommend Hoxton Max. Never had a bad experience, and this is the best product I've received from them. So, guys, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.